a road trip. We're going out the Fletcher Road, house that's not far from the Canadian border. The New England farmhouse has had a lot of work. Modern roof, siding, the septic, the heating system, those have all been updated. The windows are all the tilt-in vinyl, easy to clean kind that are warm. The house is extremely well insulated. The bathroom's on the first floor. Your kitchen is light, white, has a southern exposure. The kitchen appliances, the dishwasher, the microwave all stay. Many of them are less than a year old. There's a modern oil, hot water boiler downstairs. There's also a wood heater in the basement to heat the floors, or power over went out. The living room opens to the dining room that's off the kitchen. You could frame it back in, but it's nice having it open. This is your laundry room. A pantry closet on the way to the big bathroom is a helpful feature too. More built-ins in the bathroom. That is sunny. That's a new shower too, and a vanity that's not very old. Basically, the home needs some cosmetic finish painting. A lot of it's new sheetrock. It just needs some paint, some joint compound, a little bit of effort. The major things are done, the expensive ones. We're at 475 Fletcher Road in Monticello. The lot is 214 and a half by 214 and a half. You've got a garden spot. The owner has a green thumb. There's all kinds of things that are planted, just waiting to burst. These are the early flowers. It's good fertile farm ground. Welcome to Aroostook County. There's an outside entrance to the basement. The basement is insulated on the inside, like banked, which is very smart. About 550 gallons of oil will do you the whole winter, nice and warm. Country living, is that what you're looking for? Far enough from Route 1 so you can't hear the traffic.